Okay, let's see if y'all can hear me when I have my earphones in. I think I'm just about done with the painting. Um, you can see I added the glasses here. And I added the earrings in and did the hair and fixed the background a little bit. It still has a little bit of like unevenness right here. Okay. Um, as I'm looking at it right now, I think it looks pretty good. Um, I'll come back and look and see if I need to fix anything besides the background. But I don't want to work on it too much longer. I want to, I'm cool with this feeling it gives off. So, yeah, I just wanted to show the finished product of, and this is an oil painting, so. But yeah, other than that, I did want to give you all a different view, and I guess I can do like a real-time process of me fixing this background gradient. All right, let's see what we got here. I need to clean my brushes. They're getting a little dirty, so trying. Guess I'll use this Gam saw. And I didn't show y'all the process of me. I didn't show y'all, like I didn't make a time lapse of me fixing the painting up until this point. But, that's okay. Oh, I did want to mention what I would do was I had trouble sometimes with the nose area and just this area in general of the face. I had a lot of trouble with that area. But anyways, what I would do is I would take a cloth and I would wipe off whatever I had worked on that I didn't like. And of course it would leave behind whatever I had painted, the day before. So, I could wipe this off and it would, look like the painting I had a day ago. So, yeah, I use this to my advantage. Instead of just applying more and more paint and getting it muddy, I just took away the excess paint. Alright, so let's try to work on this patch here. I might also use a bigger brush since I have pretty much a little paint left over. I'll go ahead and use it up. And there was a time, I believe, where I would, I wouldn't use the reference for the facial features. I felt like that was just getting me stuck in a loop. of making the features look the same way I had it. So I stopped using the reference and would just work on the value and stuff of the painting. Just work on the what I had already kept looking at. I just remembered it in my mind, but so I didn't use a reference all the time. I wanted to hone in on what I knew would work, and then whatever I didn't feel comfortable with, I would use the reference. Let me try to focus on getting this fixed here. This is my grandmother. I'm doing it from a photo reference of my grandmother. So. And you know what I've noticed about painting that crept into my mind quite often? It's like I'm painting her like I'm doing her makeup, It's kind of like makeup. When you're working on the face, at least. Kind of like makeup. So I'm getting kind of close to that edge. And I, just want to dab it. Because I don't want to have my brush hairs go over her shirt. And I was having trouble trying to figure out what I was doing in that moment. Was I putting makeup on her, or was I trying to, develop the facial structure? And I was trying to develop the facial structure, so yeah, that was my intentions. I'm kind of doing her makeup. I'm letting that background dry so I can see how it turns out. I just want to see how this will look right here, and then I'll cut the video short. Yeah, that doesn't look too bad. Alrighty. I'll give you guys a last view. I might continue working on it here and there. But I'm pretty proud of myself with this one. And of course, the more I look at it, the more I'm finding little spots I need to fix. That is pretty much only spots I would see. I don't want to mess it up either, so. Okay, sure. Let me go ahead and end this video, you all. Okay. Alright. That's it. Okay, it'll dry. I know I keep going back to them this is how I work. Alright. Cool. 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 Oh yeah. Yeah, this is the painting. Thank you guys for watching.